Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean up storage in your Android or iOS device without deleting anything. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply download the application from your Play Store or Apple Store. Just simply go into that and just simply search for Storage Analyzer. Then just simply download and install this particular application. Then just simply open it. Now over here it will ask for a few permissions, so just simply give that. So after giving all the permissions, just simply wait for a few seconds and it will analyze all the storage in your device. Now what you have to do is just simply scroll sideways over here and click on file category. Now over here just simply click on others. Now in others just simply select any one file and hold for a few seconds. And just simply click on the three dots at the top right and click on select all. Then just simply click the delete icon over here at the top right. Then click OK. Then just simply wait for a few seconds and it will be gone. So as you can see, there is no more others folder in your device. So in most cases, deleted files like images, videos or messages get stored up in the others folder. So it takes a lot of space. So if you delete everything from the others folder, it won't affect anything into your phone or will delete any data from your phone. But it will clear a lot of space from your phones. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.